Hey guys, welcome back to the channel 1-2-Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube Music bot to Discord server. Here you have to click Jockey Music which comes in front of you. And just scroll down a bit and click on Yes I do. So I want the invite links. Now you can choose the color you want here. So I would like to choose the green color. Right after that, here you have to select a server. So this is my account. Now I'd like to choose this and continue with it. And just click on authorize. And go to Connectify server. So this is how you add YouTube Music bot to Discord server. Thanks for watching the video and please comment down below for more contents and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.